Okay, how's everybody? Let's do a quick recap before we move on. Pound got down to T2, took out T1 fairly quickly before last night it actually dipped down and took out T2, so that was a nice trade. I think it netted in pip wise about 180 pips all up with the two positions. If you're into pips, looks like it's going to continue to head south, but we're in and out of that trade, so that was quite nice. The pound's done us well. We got this move here, and we got this move here. So both swings, that's about as good as you can ever do in trading, in my opinion. So that was a nice trade. The Euro CAD was, I thought I woke up to T1, and then when I closely looked, it hit to the exact pip. Hit my stop to the pip. Not even a micro to spare, and it stopped me out before it went on and delivered the profit. Not much you can do about that. So that was a losing trade. That was a -1 unit trade. So we're still slightly profitable again yesterday, but we lost a whole unit by that sneaky little touch there. In hindsight, could you have done anything different? I suppose you could say put your stop on the other side of weekly pivot, but yeah, it would have saved it, but so would have getting in 1 or 2 pips earlier. If you survived, you would have got profit. So anyway, never mind. The setup was good. The market did what it was supposed to do. It was just our stop was a little bit tight, and not much we can do about that one. So we'll go through now and see what the market has to offer. You said that last night, Shane. I'm struggling. I mean, this is stair stepping down. There's no stair stepping up, right? This is where we entered the trade. Later on, it gave classic divergence after the fact that confirmed. But you can't get hidden bullish divergence unless it's stair stepping up. Wick on the left, wick on the left, wick on the left. No. There's no hidden bullish. It's not. Here. No, that's got nothing to do with where we are. It's miles away. We're way over here. No, we got the direction right. Our stop was just a bit tight. Yeah, but you can't read hidden divergence on a 1 hour chart from here to here. It's swing by swing, you know, little swing. That's not how you read hidden divergence. You've got to compare it to the last swing. Okay, it's only relative to the last swing. I mean, this was moving to the upside, and then you had divergence up here, and it completely changed direction. So you can't really, on a 1 hour chart, I don't know how they've got anything to do with each other as far as hidden divergence goes. I mean, this one here, you would have to use this one here, or that one there. You can't skip one, you know what I mean? You can't skip a swing and decide that it's here or here. You always compare it to the most recent one. All right, Aussie CAD. Now the Aussie CAD gave a signal this morning, kind of. You've got divergence on the TMAC. Okay, it threw a hanging man here after an inside bar. I shied away from it because of this divergence here. Yeah, I thought about getting in here. It does have divergence in favour, but it's coming out of divergence in favour of the trend, if that makes sense. So this recent divergence here is with the move. Okay, your daily charts and everything are bearish. So that's a pretty powerful signal. Now, it did play out and it delivered some profit, but I ummed and ahed about this thing here. I thought, well, it's still bullish here, but do we really want to mess with it? Anyway, it's moving in favour. I don't know if it'll continue or not, but that was the reason that I didn't take that position. Just printed long on the 1 hour, so there's not much there. Aussie Chef, still bearish on that 4. So he could roll and get a short here. Bullish. Might get a short on the 1 hour. You could get a short if it spikes. I don't think it will, unless it breaks along. You can see a fairly neat wedge forming here. You could get a continuation short. Like I said, it'd want to tag that outer band or do something. It's just not quite right. Aussie dollar's the same, so it's an Aussie move, wedging, contracting price, same thing here. I'm still in my CAD yen at T1 in that trade from yesterday. Again, you're starting to get some bullish divergence. I just caught your question there, Brian. I'll attack that when we're finished here, but a unit is a measurement of risk. So whatever your stop size is equals 1 unit. So divergence bullish, we might, let's have a look at a 1 hour. No, it's played around at the mid-band for a long time. Not great. Yeah, money in the bank. It's a 4 hour setup, let it go. If it forms a big green, you might want to exit off divergence, but so far I'm not convinced. It's got an inside bar, doji. This could just as easily short as it could.